Big hello to everyone watching me and welcome to my channel Family Munch. In this second part of my video, you will see me buying groceries for my home. This is Nesto Hypermarket. There are many Nesto outlets in UAE and this is in Dubai Al Karama. The best part is you can buy all your needs under one roof, like fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, different types of spices, poultry, fresh fish, bakery stuffs, sweets, frozen items and electronic items as well. Coconut is a must in our kitchen. We Goans cannot cook without coconut. In Nesto, you will get many vegetables and different other stuff to satisfy your daily needs. The most admirable thing in UAE. Even if you are going to buy one thing, for instance, mangoes, you will find enormous options, like so many varieties of mangoes from different countries. You can opt accordingly to your taste and your choice. If I want to make some extra batches of masala and refrigerate them, then I prefer buying loose and peeled garlic, as it saves my time from peeling them. Onions are the hero in almost everyone's kitchen. I don't know what we would have done without onions. When we were kids, I think we all used to do this, like plucking fruits directly from the trees and eat them. Now we have to buy them. Weighing of vegetables and fruits are done here, and now need to move to buy the other kitchen stuff. This machine is very helpful. This machine is to check the rates if the rates are not mentioned on the items.
10.99 dirhams.
A separate counter is there for the spices. The frozen section is here. This is frozen chickens of different companies.
This is too much good.
frozen items are kept very well in the deep freezers with regular hygiene test. This is our favorite laban up, sweet lassi. Here you will find all kinds of juices and different varieties of cheese as well. Now this is the egg corner. And now tell me, what do you want? White eggs, brown eggs, small, large, medium eggs? And guess what? There is expiry date printed on each egg. It is easy and always necessary also to check the expiry date when you are buying something eatable. Now here it is. This is our Goan favorite corner, fish counter. It is maintained so well. There is no fish smell in the nearby areas. Here you will find many Arabic eatables. On this counter, I always prefer to buy olives. Now this is the bakery section. Not only breads and cakes, but you will see yummy Indian sweets as well. What do you want?
I want donut.
Which one?
The white sprinkle.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, tell us that. How many you want?
Garv love donuts.
You.
Finally, this is all about electronics. I just want to roam around and to explore, as I will not buy any electronic stuff as of now. The last station of any shopping is billing. And here we go. The beautiful day is over. We started our day with breakfast at Sangeeta restaurant. आप लोगों ने देखा ही होगा इस वीडियो का पहला पार्ट. चलो, दिन खत्म हो गया ग्रोसरी लेते लेते. We all are so tired now after full day of masti bhari shopping. Thank you for watching my video. Take care, stay fit and enjoy the moments of life. Bye. See ya.